just taking a nice walk in the forest. It's snowy, it's the 1st of May. You got wet? Did you get wet? Yeah? Oh, she got a little panic there. Yeah, she's wet and cold.